Hi. I've personally found it helpful in my journey to understand my body more, and it's helped me make better decisions for my health. So today I'd like to invite you to join me in a body awareness meditation exercise. I found this very helpful in terms of helping me get to know my body more and helping me to relax my muscles. So if you have somewhere you can lie down, then that would be ideal. If you have to sit, it works too, though I would recommend lying down if you can. Close your eyes. We're going to take 3 deep breaths and focus on our breathing. How is it like having the air go in and out of our lungs? Is our breath more abdominal, or is it coming more from our chest? We're going to take a deep breath and then block for a couple of seconds and relax. We're going to become aware of our scalp, of our eyebrows, of our nose, our lips, our tongue, our jaw, our ears. Become aware of the points of contact your body has with the ground. Let gravity work on you. You can lean into those points of contact. Now we're going to become aware of our neck. We're going to let our shoulders drop at each expiration. We're going to try and relax our spine, vertebra by vertebra. From the bottom of our neck, all the way down to the lumbar spine. Maybe your lumbar spine is floating in the air. That's okay. Try and relax your left shoulder, arm, elbow, forearm, wrist, and finally hand. Maybe it's half open, half closed. We're going to become aware of our right shoulder, arm, elbow, forearm, wrist, and finally hand. Now we're going to focus on our left thigh, knee, calf, ankle, and toes. We're going to focus on our right thigh, knee, calf, ankle, and finally toes. Maybe you feel a tingling sensation in your legs. How does your body feel in general? What's the temperature of the room like? It's normal to have thoughts stray. Let's bring it back onto our breath. Hopefully your muscles feel relaxed now. You're aware of how your body feels without interpretation or judgment. Enjoy this moment. And you can open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this exercise, and I hope you enjoyed what you might have learned with us this last week. I encourage you in the next couple of weeks to think about the exercises that helped you feel the best and to redo them, whether on their own or in pre-existing habits.